Hello, my name is Ken Sutphin and I'm a service technician with WaterWise of America. Here at WaterWise, we take a different approach to chemical treatment. We use a solid formulation of chemicals. And being as we use a solid formulation of chemicals, we have a container that is about a gallon in size and mixes as much as a 55-gallon drum. Because of this, we can use a smaller vehicle. We don't need a big tractor trailer or a large truck to deliver our chemicals. And as you can see, we carry a lot of chemicals on board a smaller vehicle. This facility is a 4-story building, and because the cooling system is up on the roof and they had to bring barrels in, they had to put everything on the lower level. Because we're using the solid formulation, which has no hazardous materials and no possibility of spills, we're going to be installing our system on the 4th floor. But as you can see, their area where they had their barrels was a lot bigger than what we're going to be needing. We're up here on the 4th floor, and as you can see, this is a nice, clean, well-trafficked area, and it'd be hard for another chemical company to roll their barrels through here. Because of the solid chemical, we can do it. Right in here is where we'll be doing our installation today, in a small little room. Today we're going to be putting these 2 units up on the wall right here. This will provide corrosion inhibitor and scale inhibitor, and this will provide a biocide for the cooling system. With the boards installed, all we have to do is drop the chemicals in here and then hook the water lines up. Now, by doing this, we provide the water instead of shipping the water to you. It's an added convenience to the customer. With the water hooking up here, it goes through the solenoid valve and into this gray hopper. It then sprays up into the chemical drops down here into the container. There's a float that opens and shuts the solenoid valve, so that when it starts to get low, it opens the valve up, mixes more chemicals, drops it in the container, the float comes up, turns the valve off. By doing this, we, like I say, eliminate the possibility of spills, and instead of having to carry large amounts of chemical on the truck, we can carry our small containers. Now, for some accounts that really don't want to have the boards on site, or they want to do the old school way of mixing chemicals, we can come on site, take our chemicals, set it on top of the barrel, mix the chemicals up in the barrel so that they don't have any added equipment to worry about, and it pumps in just exactly the way it did with their old system. Now, the next step with these systems, I will add some pumps, 2 for each tower, one for the biocide for each tower, and 1 for the corrosion and scale inhibitor for each tower. And then we will run those lines off the pumps through the overhead and to the tower. The equipment is very accurate. It mixes the chemicals up within 2 to 5% every time, and if the concentration is a little too much or a little too weak, we can adjust the concentration by adjusting the regulator valve and the pressure at which it sprays up into the chemical. This gives us more of an ability to create a wider range of concentration of chemicals to the user.